Let's do an unboxing of a Wagner steam cleaner. I've had this for a while. Been stored in the back of the RV. So let's see what's in the box. I got it really to take the wallpaper off the wall. So it's double box. Wagner box inside the steamer and cleaner, so you can clean things with it, like stovetops, grout, shirts, get the wrinkles out, tires on your car, clean the whole floor, wheel tops. So this is what it's going to look like. Showing some of the accessories here that we should see when we open it up. A large cleaning brush. B, microfiber mop pad. C, wallpaper steam plate. D, window and tile squeegee. E, fabric steamer. F, microfiber bonnet for fabric steamer. G, jet nozzle. H, straight adapter. This is right here. I, nylon utility brushes. And J, brass utility brushes. These are brass. K, 8-foot steam hose. L, where's L? Oh, that's a fill, funnel, and cap. These white things. M, angled adapter right here. And N, integrated carry handle. O, large pressurized boiler. This would be this little top to the boiler. P, LED indicator lights. Tell you how much steam, the steam is ready. Q, extended poles. These guys, so you can reach further. And R, self-cleaning storage. R. Oh, right here on top. Okay. So that's what we're going to see when we open this thing up. Let's open and see what we can see. Registration. It says parts list. This is the owner's manual. Here's the hose and funnel. They're in here, and some more instructions. Going to be the hose. It's attached. Here's the cleaning brush. Pad. Cup for measuring water. This is for the wallpaper. The steamer itself is in a bag. Take the bag off. There's the steamer with the handle. This is how you put the water in under here. You got your brushes all in this box. So full of brushes, all the little parts, they're all in here. Little tiny brushes, bronze, brass brushes and nozzles, they're all in here. And then you got these French holes are in here. You got 2 of them. Just slip right in like this. So they're in here as well. And that's what you have in the box. Please let me know if you have any questions about the steamer in the comments. And also, if you find this information useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. That will really help out. Thanks. Until next time.